In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper in your Canon imageCLASS MF3010. So let's get started. First, you need to know that you can insert maximum 150 sheets of paper. This is the maximum. If not, you're gonna clog the machine. Then open this part over here, this small drawer. You're gonna notice there is a small gray tab. What we need to do at this point is to simply pull it towards you. And you're gonna notice there's 3 gray tabs inside as well. You're gonna push them on the side, so just take your finger and push the right one towards the side and it will open up. Now take your stack of paper and simply glide it between these 3 gray tabs until you cannot go any further. Next step is to bring this gray tab so it touches the paper. Like that. You don't have to squeeze the paper. Once it's slightly touching or almost touching, like here, that's fine. This is just to keep it in place so it does not fly all over the table. So this is how you insert paper. Now before printing, you need to extend this flap over here. If not, the paper will be taken over here, come out there and fall on the ground or on the table. So simply apply some pressure over here so this plastic piece come out, and then you can flip it open like this and all the paper will stay over there. So this is it. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If you want to get paper for this Canon imageCLASS, check my affiliate links in the description to get some from Amazon and support my channel. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.